Yes, kasi po, yung resolution na yon ay nanggaling din po sa sponsorship speech ni Attorney Naguib Sinarimbo, MP Attorney Naguib Sinarimbo, who is our Deputy Floor Leader. Ang ginawa po sa authorship ay lahat kami doon sa plenary ay co-authors or principal authors. Pero yung idea po nanggaling din po sa parlamento dahil nahihirapan tayo ngayon na we have to engage with national government with regard to the BARM elections. At alam nyo naman po na yung dating head ng IGRB for the government side, yung co-chair ng IGRB, Intergovernmental Relations Body, was Secretary Amina Pangandaman of the DBM, Department of Budget and Management. So ngayon, bakante po yung na-post. So sa ngayon, ang pinaka-engaged among the cabinet ng presidente is of course si Special Assistant to the President, Anton Lagdameo. Secretary Lagdameo, basically siya ang nagiging go-between namin with the national government. So since ginagawa naman niya po yun na trabaho, especially he's also the co-chair ng yung intercabinet cluster on normalization, mas angkop na rin na siya na rin ang Intergovernmental Relations Body na chair for the government of the Philippines side. Yes, actually, we consulted him and he was fine with it because he knows na mahirap humanap ng somebody who already knows the job. May background na sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, may background na sa Bangsamoro Transition Authority, may background na rin po sa peace process. As you know, siya naman very active in terms of coming out with statements sa anong mga ganap dito sa ating lugar. So siya rin po ang naantasan or nabibigyan ng trabaho with regard to Mindanao overall. So BARM is part of Mindanao jurisdiction, or writ of his office, mandate of his office. Kasama po ang BARM. I assume there's nobody else who can do the job. Si Secretary Galvez is already focused on the peace process. Itong IGRB is a governmental process, meaning it is about the interface between national government and the Bangsamoro government. May elements of course of the peace process kasi meron tayong mga requirements sa peace agreement na binibring up natin sa Bangsamoro government and the national government. But ultimately, it's about governance. So, si Secretary Anton Lagdameo is the one closest to the President, at least sa Malacanang, no? So, we have direct access with regard to the policymakers through Secretary Anton Lagdameo. And we need that because the IGRB or the Intergovernmental Relations Body is a continuing body. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng matigil yung trabaho niya. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy until ma-resolve natin some of the issues that have cropped up in terms of yung relations, intergovernmental relations between the Bangsamoro government and the national government.